Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just doing a quick kitchen makeover update. I guess this is part 3. Trying to show you where we're at in the process and basically show you the hang-ups, I guess. So yesterday we had an issue with the sink. I guess we just noticed that it was backing up. It was not draining. So we dealt with that. And somehow in that process we found a pipe that was leaking under the sink. So that is all torn up right now. We're replacing some piping down there. We were in the basement. We've ran drain cleaner. Everything should be good once we get this new pipe on. But yeah, so that has been at least 2 days worth of our time. We went camping, which took up a few days, and of course we weren't doing any kitchen work during that time. And also we've been doing a lot of work outside, and I've kind of gotten into gardening slash plant starting stuff. So that's where we're at right now. Since we went ahead and since we had to get under the sink, I went ahead and removed those doors. And so I'm working on those now. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one, and then I'll have the bottom portion be my next part, because I have to do a new coat of paint on all the drawers, and then of course like the base part of the cabinet. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna move this door with all this crap here, but I'm gonna make it a lot later. Also, it's like 90 degrees outside. Looks a lot better in camera than it does in person. Those are not done yet. Not done. Done.